Visualize the gentle stillness of a peaceful lake to ease anxiety and find inner peace. Before we get started, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell so you'll always catch our new meditations. Welcome to TranquiLush, peace in life's rush. If you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, or anxious, you're not alone. Sometimes the mind just needs a break, not from responsibility, but from the noise. In this guided imagery meditation, you'll be invited to imagine a peaceful lake, a safe, tranquil space where you can slow down, reconnect, and find your center. Guided imagery is a powerful practice that uses the imagination to calm the nervous system, ease anxiety, and restore balance to the mind and body. It's not just about escaping. It's about coming home to your breath, your body, and the stillness within you. So give yourself permission now to pause, to rest, and to return to yourself. Let's begin. Find a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. You can sit or lie down, whatever feels best for your body. When you're ready, gently close your eyes. Feel the support beneath you, the chair, the bed, or the floor. Notice the sensation of contact and simply rest into it. Let's begin to soften the body. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Let your scalp relax. Soften your forehead. Smooth out the space between your brows. Let your eyes rest gently in their sockets. Soften your cheeks, your jaw. Unclench your teeth. And let your tongue rest softly in your mouth. Feel your neck release any tension. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Relax your upper arms, elbows, forearms. Feel the softness move all the way through your hands to your fingertips. Now bring your awareness to your chest. Let it open gently with each breath. Relax your ribs, your upper back. Soften your belly and your lower back. Let your hips settle. Feel your thighs grow heavy. Relax your knees, your calves. Soften your ankles, your feet, all the way down to your toes. Let your whole body feel supported, calm, and completely at ease. Simply rest here for a few moments. Allow yourself to settle even more deeply into this peaceful stillness. There's nothing to do, nowhere to go. Just breathe and be. Bring your awareness now to your breath. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Again, inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Feel the rhythm of your breath as it flows in and out. With each breath, allow yourself to soften even more. Now, begin to imagine yourself beside a beautiful lake. It might be a place you've been before, or one you've only seen in a photo. Or maybe it's a place you're creating right now. A lake that exists only in your imagination. It could be small or vast, shallow or deep. The edges of the lake may be clearly visible, or they may fade into the distant horizon. The weather today is just right. Sunny, calm, clear. A soft breeze brushes across your skin. Take in the view of the water. Still, crystal clear, like a mirror reflecting the wide blue sky above. You notice the trees lining the shore. Pines, oaks, willows. Their leaves in many colors: deep green, light green, golden, even crimson. Their reflections shimmer across the water, giving the lake gentle waves of color. The sunlight dances on the surface. The water sparkles like tiny diamonds. The breeze creates soft ripples that move gently toward the shore. You hear birds singing in the trees. the rustling of leaves in the breeze, the distant call of a bird echoing across the lake. Everything is calm, safe, and peaceful. Breathe in deeply and allow this tranquility to fill your entire body. Now, imagine yourself taking a slow walk along the lake's edge. The ground beneath you is soft and cool. Up ahead, you see a small wooden bridge. You walk toward it and step gently onto its surface. Pause in the center of the bridge. Look down into the clear water below. Fish glide silently through the water. Their scales catch the sunlight. Black, gold, red. Ripples form as they swim, then fade away. You pick up a small, smooth stone. Hold it in your palm and gently toss it into the lake. The stone hits the surface, and ripples move outward in soft, perfect rings. Then the stone sinks, and the lake becomes still again. The lake reflects everything: the sky, the trees, the light. But even when clouds gather or storms pass through, beneath the surface, the lake remains calm, unmoved, deep, still. And just like the lake, you are more than the ripples. You are not defined by the changing weather of your life. You are not the storm. You are the water underneath, steady, grounded, wise. Let that truth settle deep within you. You are like the lake. Stillness is always within reach. Take one last look at your peaceful lake. Soak in its beauty, its calm, its quiet strength. Leave behind any tension, worry, or fear. They do not need to come with you. Let them stay here, in the water. Take with you only the peace, the softness, the strength. Know that this lake lives within you. You can return here anytime you need stillness, clarity, or calm. All it takes is a breath and your imagination. Begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Feel the surface beneath your body. Gently wiggle your fingers. Move your toes. Roll your shoulders softly. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for meditating with TranquiLush Meditation, where you can always return to peace, even in life's rush. If this brought you calm or comfort, please give it a like. Subscribe to the channel for more moments of peace. And share this with someone who could use a little stillness today. Until next time, Lush Shiner. Be well, be still, and come back anytime.